Good morning, good morning, good morning. The time is, what's the time is it? I can't even pull it up on my phone, but it is probably around like, oh, here it is. I have a watch on. About 7:15 in the morning, I'm at work, and the first meal of the day is going to be a protein shake. We got 3 scoops of my Synthesis milk chocolate protein. I like to drink protein shakes first thing in the morning, and especially I like them high in protein. So this is about 75 grams of protein, because protein is one of the macros that's going to keep you full, right, satiated for longer periods of time, and that is very important when you're dieting. And plus, I don't like to eat a lot of carbs first thing in the morning, because I find that it, especially when I'm at work, it makes me sleepy, and when you're sleepy you can't get work done. All right, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all on meal 2. Okay, so I just got some Subway. Subway is usually something that I try to get when I don't pack a lunch, even though I shouldn't, but can't be out here starving. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I get, and this is my staple lunch. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so here we have a foot-long wheat. It's just turkey, provolone, you have jalapenos, you have cucumbers, you have green peppers, you have salt and pepper, and you have the yellow stuff, which is mustard. And that's all that I put on my subs, just to keep it low fat. I don't use any mayonnaise or anything like that. We just keep it very plain and simple. Here, you can see that it's a foot long. There's 2 pieces, which I smashed. And back in the back, those chips are baked Lay's barbecue chips. I think they have like 3.5 grams of fat. And here we have a Diet Coke, which has absolutely no calories in it, okay? Just to keep it as low carb as possible and as low fat as possible. Okay, so that is today's lunch. I'll get it back up. You know what I mean? We gonna get on our grind. We gonna do what we supposed to do, and we gonna get that bit back up. So right now we doing pull-ups after the dip. So this is my second set. So we gonna get to it. All right, so that was one heck of a workout. But that was probably, I'll say, the fifth workout in like 3 weeks. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So we're back home. I still got my clothes on from the gym. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to take a shower. And then we still have, let's just check and see how many calories we have for the rest of the day. Bam. All right. So these are the calories for the rest of the night. And it is currently 9:53. All right. So I'm about to take a shower. Dang, it's all up in my grill. Back up a little bit. Back up. All right, so I'm about to take a shower. All right, so I think I'm going to make some Kodiak cakes, but this time we're going to use some real syrup, not real syrup. We're going to use the full strength syrup, and what I mean by that is it's not reduced calorie, it's not light, because we still have some carbs to get through. All right, so let's cook it up. so here we have the finished product, which is the Zodiac dark chocolate pancakes. It was 132 grams of that. I put in 4 ounces of the whole milk, the Fairlife whole milk with the protein in it, and then 1 egg, and then you see the 2 servings of syrup. This syrup right here, original syrup. Then in this cup right here, we have 2 servings of Fairlife chocolate reduced fat milk, which is absolutely delicious. Then we have this right here to top everything off. I still have like 83 calories left. So I'll probably just like get a extra little swig of the Fairlife chocolate milk, and then I'm gonna call it a night because it's about time for me to start editing this video. And I probably won't get this editing done until tomorrow. But I hope y'all enjoyed this 4-day of eating. You know, I try to implement how I eat at work and the things that I eat on a daily basis. And this is only part of it. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Share my videos with everybody. And if there's anything else that you want to see in the vlogs, whether it's more family, whether it's this, whether it's that, you make sure you let me know in the comment section. All right, because I do read comments. I do reply back. All right. FBA crew, this has been a 4-day of eating with KP, and we are out because I am starving and I need to eat. So I'll catch up with y'all.